There are multiple challenges in the data center. So the networks need to enhance the virtualization of the servers. Today, enterprises need to do a trade-off between the system utilization efficiency and the explosion of the number of network endpoints. Also, the virtual machines, they are not staying in one place. They are moving all the time. So how does the network cope with this? Do we need to reconfigure manually all the quality of service and security parameters when a virtual machine moves? It looks like a bit of a pain, right? The second issue is the fact the need for bandwidth in the data center, and now the servers are coming with 10 gigabit Ethernet network interface cards. So you need high density of 10 gig, and you need higher bandwidth in the core of the LANs of the data centers. Issue of latency. Traffic was client to server before, and now is more server to server. And this traffic is sensitive to latency. The other issue is about converging storage and Ethernet on the same network. Now we see that the resources in the data center are more and more mutualized. It makes less and less sense to keep two separate networks. But now this is a very complex issue that we must address very carefully. Lastly, we need to consolidate data centers and we need to virtualize data centers, meaning that we need to create a single network fabric that spans over multiple sites in order to do data center redundancy, for example, or data center disaster recovery. We bring a new, fresh and disruptive strategy on the market. We are bringing simplification in the data center, simplification of network architectures while increasing the performance, simplification of the management of the virtual machine motion, simplification of management. It starts with the network architecture. Today, Alcatel-Lucent has the best capacity, the best density in terms of 10 gigabit Ethernet on the market. If you think that the OmniSwitch 6900 gives, for example, up to 64 10 gig ports in a 1U form factor, or if you think that you already have 40 gigabit Ethernet connectivity in this box, you can build flat layer 2 fabrics that enables you to have up to 1200 10 gigabit server ports without using a single core switch. Secondly, we manage the motion of the virtual machines. We have a concept of virtual network profiles where we can apply automatically to each single virtual machine on the network a profile which is made of quality of service parameters like bandwidth reservation, application priority. We are able also to apply some security measures. We can apply a VLAN on a virtual machine. We can apply access control lists on the virtual machine. And when the virtual machine moves, the configuration is moving automatically without any human intervention. The third aspect of our strategy is LAN and SAN convergence. Today, it starts with the infrastructure as well. We need to provide lossless Ethernet, which is exactly what Alcatel-Lucent is providing on the market. Then it enables our customers to migrate to storage over the LAN at their own rhythm, whether they want to use iSCSI or fiber channel over Ethernet as the converged protocol of the future. Lastly, we are providing a strategy in order to achieve the virtualization of data centers. Our network virtualization technology, which is shortest path bridging, is compatible with the network virtualization of the telecom operators. At the end of the day, it means that you can move a virtual machine from one physical data center to another physical data center and be in the same domain. And everything is done seamlessly, automatically, and the network is automatically reconfigured in order to follow this motion. We provide unmatched scalability and performance in the network of the data center. We support from hundreds to 10,000 of wire speed, 10 gigabit server ports. We provide latency that always remains below the 5 microseconds. That is the absolute maximum in order to efficiently manage the server-to-server traffic. We also provide 40 gigabit Ethernet in order to interconnect our top-of-rack switches, and we support this today. We provide an excellent return on investment for our customers with a very good hardware cost, but also a reduced operational cost thanks to the simplification that we provide for our customers. We provide elasticity in the data center, meaning that we automate the management of the VM motion in the network, and we automatically apply the quality of service and the security parameters.